ifamily guys ilinde uMajola ukuthi-ke azobona ingane. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 20th to 24th of October 2025 on Monday. Hlate asked the questions on a dread hearing. At Kusela, Dice finds himself in Sydney's dangerous orbit, and Tsumega pleads for peace, unaware of the storm ahead on Tuesday. A moment of joy for a loving couple quickly shadowed by fear. Sydney pulls Tsaki into his most dangerous scheme yet at Kusela. Lwanda's true motives for backing Mawetu comes to light on Wednesday. A moment of joy turns to horror for Zodek and Lazarus. Sydney's late night meetings raise their suspicions, and the family gathers, but not all are at peace on Thursday. Tsumega's slip off the tongue recalled Lazarus and Zoleka. Dice warns Sydney that Tsaki may be their undoing. Linda makes a play for power whatever the cost on Friday. Zoleka fears an ancient tradition could expose everything. Sydney manipulates Hlengiwe to vanish at just the right time, and the battle for Kusela's future takes a dangerous turn. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.